Hello guys. So, babalik naman tayo sa ibang video, 'di ba? So, papasalamat muna ako sa 1,626 subscribers. So, sisimulan na tayo ng Five Nights at Shrek's Hotel. Itong laro na to ay crazy. Napalaro ko na to, okay? So, start na natin, oh. Ano? So, baliktad to. Baliktad. Ano? Ano? Ay, naku, pangit ni Shrek. Wait lang. Wait lang, guys, ah. Iwanagan ko muna. So, yan. Start na natin. Laro. Ano? So, yan. Pangit ni Shrek, ah. Pangit. Yan, start na tayo. So, bilisan natin kasi 10 minutes lang yung oras, ah. Yan. Yan. Si Shrek, oh. Si Shrek. Pangit.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to Shrek's Hotel. How can I help you?
I can help ya. Oh, siya ba? Wait lang, lakasan natin. Yan.
Hi, can I get a room for 5 nights, please? Sure, we have an empty room on the second floor.
Pangit naman na magsalita, ah. So, yan. Nalaro ka na to, nakakatak. Donkey!
I need to take a dump before sleep.
Okay, tatae ka. Okay. Si Shreki. Ba't may donkey doon? Ba't may donkey na namatay? Pinutol ng ulo.
Excuse me, where is the toilet? The toilet is over there.
Nakasulat nga eh, toilet eh.
Don't you dare pissing on the walls.
Ano naman itsura yan? Shrek, anong itsura yan ha? Bakit mo eh? Tsaka haba na kuko mo, maggupit ka na ng kuko. Baka mamaya, kuskus mo yan sa puwet eh. Grabe naman ang ngotot. Mamaya lilinisin ko to eh. Kasi tamad ako eh. Pat may patay na donkey dito oh. Kita niyo guys, patay na donkey. Okay. Okay, so si Shrek to.
Last night you took a big dump in my toilet. Took me a long time to clean it.
Oy, sorry na, Shrek ha. Sorry
Now
na.
you have to help clean up the toilet floor.
Okay. Bakit mo magsalita? Ang laki-laki na kuko. Akin na yan. Hindi na ako tamad. Lilinis na ako ng toilet kasi baka masampal pa ako ni Shrek. Laki-laki eh. Parang gusto ko sampalin si Shrek kasi ang laki ng bilbil niya. Ay, umuntok pa sa akin yung walis. Ang galing naman.
Who was that?
Okay. Wait lang guys. Okay, matulog na tayo.
Sleepy. Maybe maybe I should take a look at the paintings.
Paintings, okay? Okay. Guys, ang pangit naman. Ay! Ay!
Oh no, what have I done?
Kasalanan mo yan. Inatsingan mo yung painting.
I should do something.
Hide the painting.
Oh, that was close.
Ooh, that was close. Sino yan?
Who could it be? Hi, how can I help?
Just checking in. There's some noise coming from upstairs.
I didn't hear anything.
I didn't hear anything, Shrekky.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Yes, my name is.
It's fine.
Okay.
All right. Good night then.
Good night, then. Kain muna ako sa food court. Gutom na ako eh. Chinese food.
Sit down and eat my food.
Okay. Mag-sit down ka. Wow.
Hey, how are you doing?
Oy, pangit ah. Pangit oh, sa pangit. So guys, popos ko muna to kasi 6 minutes na. Itong memory na to ay 10 minutes lang, okay? Keep pakinggan nyo guys. Minecraft food. Si Shrek. Nasa si Gingerbread man. Lam. Night 4 na guys, oh, night 4. Buti wala si Shrek. Pagkatapos, pagkabuksan ko lang nandun na si Shrek.
My great grandpa picture.
Ayan na nga, oh. Ayan na nga.
I have had enough of your troubles.
Ayan na nga si Shrek, oh.
Now you must pay this off by working a night shift for me.
Okay. Guys, dumilim na. Wait lang ah. Watch till the end. Pause ko lang to. Guys, nandito ako. Ano, Shrek juice. So guys, bibigay natin tong Shrek juice para magigiga siya. Napalaro ko na to guys. Seryoso ako. Magiging giga siya si Carl.
And drink it.
Ayun o. Takbo. Nandiyan na si Shrek. Yan na guys. So. Ayun o. Uy. Giga Chad. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ayun o. Kita nyo. Si Giga Chad Carl. Napalaro ko na to, di ba? Sinabi ko na. Ayun o. Pangit na Shrek versus Giga Chad Carl. Kinuha mo sa titi yung... Sorry guys. Sabog! Ayun o. Subscribe. Hindi ako subscribe dyan. So, ayan na. So, tapos na ang palaro natin. So, 9 minutes na. Nasa studio pa rin ako. So, bye. I wish you enjoy this video. Peace. Sa bagong video.